Hey, so there is a cyclone passing by my city today, and I experienced something. Actually, this cyclone is called hashtag Cyclone Tokte. Yeah, that is what they are calling it, and it is all over the city. It is passing by my city right now, and I experienced something today. So I was wearing headphones, and I heard a loud noise, and I went to my gallery to see what it was, and that I saw, and what I saw was a piece of terrace shade flying right in front of me, far, far away at a distance from my building. Yeah, I was pretty scared because of the loud noise that it made. So I went to the terrace to see what it was, and the terrace shades were broken down. Yeah, and it was a total mess. So what I did was I clicked a few pictures and I sent it to my client saying, "Hey, today looks like a very serious situation here, and I don't think I can work today." Yeah, so here I am at 3 p.m. in the afternoon recording my second podcast. I I want to talk about cyclone today and how it has made me feel. Yeah, I woke up today pretty normal because I also didn't sleep pretty well. And when I heard that there is cyclone passing by, and I heard the news that it is you stay safe at home. It is going to be too heavy breeze and all. I thought, okay, let's just stay home. I was working, and at around 11 a.m. I heard a loud noise, and there it was. You know what happened next? But yeah, there it was. It was the beginning of the heavy breeze, the cyclone passing by my city. I experienced it. I was sitting on my gallery enjoying the view. You know, uh, I felt pretty good. I was distracted from my usual thoughts that I go through about productivity, self growth, personality, fitness, eating healthy, doing workouts, etc. 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 I was pretty distracted from those, and I felt a little, I don't know, lively, and I haven't experienced that in a long time. The last time I experienced this, I remember, was I was on a trek, and it was also scary, and I don't know if I was thinking about I was distracted from fitness and other things, but I was pretty scared that time because it was a scary trek, and oh shit, I think I should re-record. Sometimes I think I should re-record what I record, because I think when if I record it the second time, it could be better, right? But I want it as raw as possible. So yeah, here it is. Uh, what do I say? I don't know if anyone's listening to me right now. Uh, but if there's anything I want to say from my heart today, uh, is that nature made me feel good. And if you are listening, you should also know that nature can help you make, you know, nature can help you distract, and it's not what they say is wrong, it's, yeah, did I quote that correctly? Oh, what they say is true, that nature can help you in many ways. And I used to read these quotes about mental health and how nature can shape it, but I never really believed it. um, the last time I experienced it, I said that I was on a trek, but it was very pretty scary, and I didn't feel good. The view was good, but it was a pretty scary ride. And today, I am at my house enjoying the view, sitting on my gallery, feeling it is very cold also, and the January heat here is very, what I could say, very hot. That's the usual word. And I uh, here's the thing why I am very nervous today. It's because my last podcast, which was about 10 days ago on 7th May, was pretty raw. And when I heard it a few hours later, I felt bad because in that podcast I mentioned that I was, I am not self disciplined, I am a little depressed or something like that. And it didn't make me feel good. And I heard it during my breakfast. So I don't think that's a good time to hear a sad podcast. Uh, but yeah, the day went pretty bad, and I thought, yeah, I think I should change my life. I think I should eat healthy, do proper workouts, etc., etc. So I did that for like 3 days and felt good. But then on the fourth day, I was normal again. Eating unhealthy, not working out, waking up late, staying up late. But today I feel good. Today I don't feel bad. Right now, I think I don't know about what would happen to me a few hours later, but right now in the moment I feel pretty good. I feel very positive, distracted from my thoughts. You know, nature helps you to be in the moment. Is if I could quote my moment right now, it's nature. Nature has helped me. This cyclone has helped me in a certain way. So thank you, cyclone. And yeah, I think I'm going to sit on my gallery, enjoy my view right now. So bye bye.